am Kaval, maths teacher. I have 10 years experience of teaching maths to senior classes. Right now we are doing factorization of type 5. So let's begin. What is type 5? Ax square plus bx square plus cy square, where a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0 and c is not equal to 0. Alright. So question is 4x square plus 15xy plus 9y square. I have told you in my previous lecture that you have to multiply the last term coefficient with the first term coefficient. Okay, as you know, it's a variable x square, y square, 3x, okay, multiply the last number, that the last coefficient 9 with 4. 9 4s are 36. We do LCM of it. As you will say even number, STC in the end, so you start from 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8 is 16. Alright, again it's an even number, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now we have to make pairs. We need midterm 13xy. By adding or subtracting these factors, I need 13xy. Alright, what is it? 4 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. I can easily make 4xy plus 9xy. 4 plus 9, what it become? 13. You got it? I have done nothing special. I have just made pairs of it, and I need just to get my required number, that is 13xy. So 4xy and variable xy will remain same. Whatever variable here, this variable will remain same. 4x square will remain same, 9y square will remain same. So 4 plus 9 become 13xy. Alright, in this step I think it's clear. Now we jump to third step. In this step we make pair of it, first two terms and last two terms. So what is common here? 4. What is common here? X. What is left? X plus y. You got it? Next, what is common here? 9 y square y. There is no more common x. So what is left? 9y. 9 ones are 9. X will remain same and 1y will left. It becomes x plus y, x plus y. Always remember that in such questions, the brackets must be same. Must be same. Now I can easily take common from it. X plus y, x plus y. I take 1x plus y. What is left? 4x plus 9y answer. It's a very interesting and very simple question. You just need practice of it. In next lecture, we will do some more examples of it. Till then, take care. Bye. Factorization type 5. What is this type? Ax square plus bxy plus cy square, where a is not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0 and c not equal to 0. If it is 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. So, this is very important type 5. In this type, you don't need to use previously 3 formulas: a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, right? You have to make factors of it to find your answers. How is it? Let's start begin. Question is x square plus 7x plus 12. Solution. Point to be noted. What you do in this question, you have to multiply the last term with the first term coefficient. Right now there is no coefficient written. It means it is 1. When it is written 2, 3, 4, you have to multiply the last number with the coefficient of first number. Okay, first variable. 12 ones are, here it is 1, 12 ones are 12. Now we have to make factorization of it. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. What I am doing, I need the midterm 7x, and this midterm will we get when we add or subtract of these factors to get the middle one. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So I can write x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. Don't be confused. What I have done, I just multiply the last term with the first term coefficient. If it is 2, 4, anything, you have to multiply the last term with the first term coefficient. Then you have to take LCM of it. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. To make the midterm. Midterm number is 7x. So by adding or subtracting, I need 7x only. I do 4x plus 3x becomes 7x. So I write here x square will remain same, 12 will remain same, 4x plus 3x. Got it? No matter what order is, maybe you write 3x plus 4x, doesn't matter. Okay, I just need 7x. I have make 7x now. Now in next third step, you have to make pair of it. First two terms and last two terms. I can easily take common from it. X, what is that? X plus 4. You got it? Next plus 3, x plus 4. 3 4s are 12. What I am doing in third step, I am making pair of it by taking common from it. And remember, these two terms in the bracket are always remain same. It's must to get same bracket. I repeat, if in third step I make pairs of it, first two terms, x will remain common, x plus 4 plus 3 common, x remains same, 3 4s are 12. X plus 4 are same. I take common here, x plus 4. What is left? X plus 3 answer.